What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my video. Today we're finally installing the exhaust on my truck. I'm not exactly sure yet if I'm going to axle dump it or route it out the side. I got to see when I get it on there what I like more. First, I got to polish it up though. I'm going to show you guys a little bit on what you got to do for that to get it to a mirror shine. So let's get right on into it. Alright, I'm going to start off with some of these smaller pipes just to start off. As you guys can see, I'm going to get up to the light here. This thing is not shiny at all. It's in pretty rough shape. You got like right here all this. So I'm going to start off with like 60 grit sandpaper just to really bomb some of this off real quick. And we'll just keep working our way up through there. Probably end off at like 1,000 grit, 2,000 grit. But yeah, I just want to get some of this hard stuff off. Alright, so you guys can see right there how it really took that line off. It's already starting to shine up a lot, you can see. We got all the waves in it now from the sandpaper, but you can see just that one little area I did. Looks a whole lot better, so yeah, we'll keep working away. Alright, that's what it looks like after 60 grit. Definitely a lot more shiny. As you can see though, it's kind of wavy from the 60 grit, but all that stuff will go away as we progress up through the grits. So, happy with it so far. Let's keep on working, see what we get out of this thing. Alright guys, I'm actually going to hit all the pipes first with 80 grit, just so I don't have to keep changing the sandpaper and my sander here, but as you can see like on this one, my camera focuses, this one's definitely got a lot more lines and scratches to it, so this one's going to require a bit more work. I also have this on the drill, this little sanding disc here, just so I can get like where all the hinges are, where it hangs from all the hangers. Get around there real good with it, like right in there. Get working on this one, make her shine. Got all those done. This is going to be the worst one by far. This one's pretty beat up, pretty bad, but we'll start working on it. See what we can make happen. Alright, so this is after hitting it with the 60. This pipe definitely took the longest, but definitely getting there. Got like all the heavy stuff knocked off. Looks a lot better. So, move up next to 100 grit. Now I'm done sanding with 100 grit sandpaper. I have some steel wool right here. It's grade 00, and I have some metal polish here too. I have Zephyr stuff too. Doesn't matter what metal polish you use. Just take it on the steel wool and rub it around the pipe. This is the step right here where the pipe will really come to life and start to shine. So let's get on it now and see how shiny we get this thing. You put a good amount on there. Then you're going to take your steel wool right here. Just rub it around on here real good. And we'll wipe it down, see what we're looking like. Alright, now I got wiped off. As you can see, we're actually starting to get some shine to it here. So let's keep on working and see how much brighter we can get it. Alright guys, as you can see here, the end result looks really good. A lot better than what we started with. Shining super bright. So, well, let's get the other pipes finished up here. And then we'll get it thrown on the truck and be good to go. Alright guys, we got the other pieces finished up and they look really good. Don't mind the light, they're glaring, so they're not going to look as bright as if they were outside. But you guys get the general gist. Got them all finished up. Only thing left is to get it installed on the truck, so let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, step one of this process is, up there where my downpipe is, I have two bolts there holding it on, so I just got to take those off. Put my new metal sealing O-ring here on there, and we get the first section of the pipe on, so let's go ahead and do that now. Funny part is I'm down here looking at my downpipe. The exhaust gas is so hot it melted the paint off the frame here, and it actually ran right here, as you can see. Just ran right across the bottom of the frame here and was like dripping off on the ground. That's pretty funny. Just gotta throw this metal sealing O-ring up there. And we are good to go. Oh, God. Alright, good to go. Got the first section of pipe on here. Right off the bat, what I noticed is this first hanger here is not going to be compatible with the stock mounting bracket here, but it looks like it's pretty secure, so I'll see if I have to fab something up here to make this connect here, but we'll keep going and see what else fits. Just so you guys know, this is 17 through 19 kit, because there's no 2020 exhaust out yet. We got the second piece on here. It's a really tight fit. It's almost hitting the top of the cab. You could definitely tell it's not compatible through here the way it should be. But up front, don't tighten those bolts on the downpipe till you get this piece on. So you need some flex in here. These won't line up. All right, guys, we're getting there. We got the other section on. What I had to do was where I had my def injector hung up here, I actually had to cut that because the exhaust would be hitting it. So we're getting there. Actually going on really, really easy. A lot easier than I thought. And that's how easy it goes on. Alright, don't mind my face, it's a GM undercoating, but I may just leave it axle dumped for now. I'm kind of liking it. I don't know where it exactly will come out, if it'll come out here, or if the exhaust will come out back here. I ultimately want it to come out here, and no tip, just be flush with the body, but I don't know, I'm going to see how I like the axle dump, so let's give it a start and see how it sounds. Alright, sounding pretty good. I actually like the way it sounds. Let me get under here and show you guys what it looks like. Really clean looking. Fits really good, actually. The only thing that sucks is, like, none of the hangers line up. So, I'm gonna have to fab up some stuff to make that work for now, but as you can see, shining pretty good. But, yeah, really happy with the outcome. Like I said, it only took about like 15 minutes actually to get this installed. I thought it was going to be like a lot longer drug out process. I didn't have to cut any pipes or anything, which is good. I thought I was going to have to do that, but ended up all working out. Also, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to leave it like the 5-inch outlet for right now of the actual exhaust, but I actually got a 6-inch tip for it too. But I'm going to leave this off for now. I don't know how I feel about putting that on there at this point in time. I'm also not going to put on like a burn barrel size or garbage can size tip, so don't put that in the comments. I'm not going to do that. So do we leave it axle dumped? Do we run it out the side? Or do we punch a good old hole in the hood right here and hood stack it? I was actually debating for a long time whether or not to hood stack it, and I still kind of want to, but I'm going to run the exhaust for now and see how it goes. Maybe in a couple weeks or I don't know, a couple months if I don't like it, we'll punch a hole right in here somewhere. But let me know what you guys think about that. I think that'd be pretty cool. Headlights though are looking super killer. Really happy with those. Still waiting on this bottom plastic piece from GM. It should be in this week. I ended up breaking this little plastic tab right here, so then next week we'll get this wiring taken care of. Got some wire loom coming in. Get that all wrapped up. And then I gotta put this, there's actually a cover right here. It's right there on the table. Just gotta put it back over here. And then all this wire will be gone. I'll have one nice little loom coming off here. And then just gotta figure out what we're gonna do with the exhaust. And then I got rock lights in. I got some front end parts in. So a lot more to come with the truck, guys. So stay tuned. So I would take the truck out right now, guys, and show you an exhaust clip of what it actually sounds like, but I'm actually having a tuning issue. I'll put the video up here. Don't mind the quality because it's from my little brother's iPhone 5S, but I'll put that up here right now. I have no idea what that's all about, guys. I was driving out to the store to get diesel, and on the way there, I was smelling something burning. I had no idea what it was. I just thought it was like paint melting off the frame like it's been doing for a while. But I parked, threw it in park, and it started doing that same sound, which didn't sound good at all. I turned the truck off immediately, filled up with diesel, and then turned it back on and started doing that again. So I drove home, and I still smelled something burning. I parked it, and it continued to do that. So I called up my tuner. They just want a data log on the issue occurring, so they'll send me a revision out based on that log. I'll show you guys that data log and all that stuff, put it in the next video, but it's Friday, so I can't get any revisions out this weekend, so I apologize. Next week, we'll take the truck out for a drive with the exhaust. I really don't want to drive it right now with that issue. I don't want to make something worse than it has to be. So stay tuned for next week, guys, and I apologize about that. All right, that's about it for this video, guys. Should we leave the truck axle dumped, with a tip, no tip, run it out the side, punch a hole in the hood? So many different options we can do. Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
It's